Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Minecraft camera is randomly spinning out of control, your aim feels incredibly floaty and slow, or your cursor keeps escaping the game window onto your second monitor, your mouse inputs are out of sync. I will show you exactly how to fix these tracking bugs right now. Let's get started. First, if your camera is rapidly jumping around, flicking directly into the sky, or spinning completely out of control, your mouse polling rate is too high for the Java engine to process. Open your dedicated mouse software, such as Logitech G Hub, Razer Synapse, or Corsair iCUE, locate your peripheral settings, and lower the polling rate or report rate from 1000 Hz down to 500 or even 125 Hz. This stops the game engine from being overwhelmed by microscopic hardware inputs and completely stops the wild camera spinning. Next, if your mouse feels incredibly heavy, floaty, and the camera is slowly gliding around like it is completely covered in ice, you accidentally enabled a hidden game setting. In older versions of Minecraft, this is bound directly to a function key, so simply try pressing F8 on your keyboard to instantly snap your camera back to normal. In newer versions, press the Escape key, open your Options menu, navigate to Controls or Keybinds, and look for the Toggle Cinematic Camera setting. Unbind it entirely or change it to a key you won't accidentally press during combat. Finally, if you are playing Bedrock Edition or using multiple monitors and your mouse keeps escaping the game window to accidentally click on your taskbar, the screen lock is broken. While actively playing in your world, press the F11 key on your keyboard twice in a row to force the game out of full screen and immediately back into it, which forces Windows to relock the cursor. If the cursor continues to escape, open your Windows settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, click on Mouse, select Additional Mouse Settings, and explicitly uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision under the Pointer Options tab. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.